So, hello, beautiful people, future me, maybe. Welcome to the round number 2 of today's programming workouts. Programming workouts is my method how to get better at programming. Each of the rounds consists of 5 minutes typing and 35 minutes of developing an application as of today. Yeah, most of you know that I keep the track of my improvements, so let's get into it and see how well I will do in the next round. So let's go. My method was coding while I was learning. What? That's what I said? Oh well. Or that's what you say. Oh, come on. Hmm. 1.5 minutes. Maybe I can do another one. Or maybe I will be able to do this. Oh, come on. Hey, whoops. I haven't seen you for a bit. How are you today? That's good, right? Well, right now I had a good exercise session. Thanks to Clasher Carsten. He's my personal trainer now. And he redeemed all the exercises I have available at the same time. Okay, I will finish it. Yeah. No, well, I thought so. And when I was like totally convinced it has to be a bot account, and he spoke out. He said two things, and that's hello and I am not bot. Only two messages ever. Clasher likes to watch and spend his channel points improving my health. Because I was thinking, like, really, that's not a real person, you know, like, never spoke. And then he goes, like, maybe he kind of sensed, or she, I don't know, like, I'm about to ignore, like bots, right? And then he said, like, no. Do your exercises. Come on. Here you go. There you go. Okay, I went a little bit over the time, but we have 4%, which is not bad. 4:33. And the thing is, like, I don't think it does the decimal places unless you go under 1. So it's rough. And I can find out, right? I can do shell, and it says here, here's the formula, right? So I can calculate it. It will be 710 minus 682, right? And divided by 682.0, and it is 4.1%. So basically this, it will be 1 times 100, 4.105, blah, 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 blah. Okay. How do I... This? No. Like this? Oh. Help. 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 Oh, here we go. So exit. Yes. Made it. Okay, so, and now 35 minutes of, I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I want to find out the error which I have here and I don't understand at all. And that was, yeah, I know. I can explain. Now I can explain. So, look, I have here the post mapping, right? Where I want to like populate the database. Trumpstar already told me that I can do it a different way, but as an exercise, you know, like I will put here those two guys, right? And what we will do, no. How do I yoink this? Yeah, this works. So this will be Trump stars, right? And then here, roll. Spring Guru. Here we go. And then, oh fuck, no. Young, this, paste that, and this will be good. Here I'll be Twitch streamer. Here we go. Like so. And now what I was doing was trying to applications running. Yes. So I was trying to access it through here, right? So I do that and I got 405. What the fuck? Oh, well, yeah, it will be something else, but it is an ingredient for a great company. You know, those are the great ingredients for a good company. That's what it is. So, and I was like, what the fuck? What is happening in here? And I could not understand it, you know, and then I looked in here and it says like request method get is not supported. And then I go like here in my controller, you know, it says like, it's not get, you know, it's post mapping, but you know, like the browser does get by default, right? I cannot like from browser do like, you know, like say, well, maybe I can, but I don't know how. So this is, yeah, this is bad. This is not how it's supposed to be. I either can download the Postman, but I don't want to deal with that shit. So I will do it right away from here. You know, I will create this thing. I'll open HTTP client. It will generate the post request for me, and I can run it. Oh yes, I can. Generate the request number 6. Yes, and look. Why get? I wanted to run the post. Okay, now it's okay. Response body is empty. It's all right. That is all right. That is all right. Don't worry. But now, if I have a look into the database, which is here, I will select all from ingredient. You see, there's nothing. It's broken. Doesn't work. God damn it. Why? Okay. What the fuck? Yeah. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? Well, first of all, I see there's like, now I have saved two things, which I'm in some kind of weird state. And the reason being is I forgot to save and rebuild the application, I think. So if we go to the service, you can see that we have these two, which were here before I did run it again, right? So I will restart the application now, and maybe we will profit. We will succeed. We will succeed in life and stuff. Oh fuck! I did run the wrong thing. I wanted to run. What's happening with it? Oh, here we go. This, yes, stop and rerun. Okay, and maybe now I can run the latest thing. Response body is empty, and if I go to our console and run our, you see this shit? That's good shit. That means it works. Isn't that awesome? I think it's awesome, but now I have a little bit of problem in here, because here I select everything from ingredient and it doesn't tell me it says there's nothing. Yeah, it's really good, but oh fuck, I forgot to start the timer. Well, I guess this will be a little bit longer. Oh well, it is what it is. If 21, we have 3 rounds to go. It will be okay. 4. Oh, well. Okay. Why is that? Am I connected to the right place? So if I do DT, yes. C ingredient. Oh yeah, that's the database, right? Previous connection is. What if I do C? You are now a database food as user Postgres. That's good. Now I will do select star from ingredient. Nothing. Why?
You can see that the results are here as well. And cool thing here is I can view as and then transpose and check this out. So we have the results here. It allows us to build everything into our system. Successfully connected to our database. Now what we want to do is to take this student right here and use where you will master everything there is to know about and create a query. And there we go. So now you can see that roles. So Amigos code in Postgres. So in student, this should be, you can see that we have this database right here, .xml, and then \d, and no relations. So now let's open up IntelliJ, and I'm gonna open, and then \.
So why the fuck? Student, yeah. Let's.
-d, and no relations. So now let's open up IntelliJ, and I'm gonna open up the pom.xml. Before, remember, we commented out this dependency. So,
Yeah, I know.
and there we go. So we are show you how now we want with so now let me go in bleed type is for 2 and say add and then send and this using these annotations right here. Let me put this a little bit bigger. So you can see that we have some logging going on, and there we go. So have a look. So in here we have some logging, and we have sequence. We have and the price, and now IntelliJ first. This will be now in here. Remember before when I type \d. So let me now disclose these columns.
Okay,
so this is pretty nice.
Okay, so the student. So that one works. That one works. That I don't see any data in there.
Now is this part right here. So the data access layer. We have the database configured. I've been running with one table called student. Next, let's go ahead and implement this layer right here that will interact with our database. So table is semicolon. So let's go run name to IntelliJ.
Yeah, he does that. Select star from table name. Why doesn't show anything at all for me? Select from ingredient. Okay, so yes, that's exactly what I need to do. Yes, that's exactly what I need to do. God damn it, like why I keep forgetting this shit. I feel so stupid. Okay, let's not call me stupid. That was a stupid thing to do, and that is a difference, right? I should not think like that, otherwise I will be lying over there for 2 days again without moving, depressed. Yeah, so just think what I did was stupid, not me. I'm perfect. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's easier said than done, isn't it? I try. Well, so this works. So we are happy. Parents are proud. Girls love us. We saved the humanity, and yeah. That's good. This works fine. So the semicolon it was. What am I doing next? Yeah, so I don't want to populate it this way. I want to populate it the other way. The other way is actually two ways. There is a SQL query which you can write, or you can implement or create some like class runner or something like that. Command line runner thingy. Yeah, so we'll do both because it doesn't make sense at all, but I will learn shit. So pre-populate db. Okay, so here what we did. Here, and this was insert insert to the db from Java site completed. Pre-populate. So we will do the two ways. The first one will be the command line runner way, and the other one is the SQL query in the SQL file. Okay, so what just happened? I press keys and things happen, and sometimes I don't know. For testing, we always use data SQL files for it. Oh. Okay, so you are using command line runner for testing and for testing application, and you are always using the SQL otherwise. I mean, we use data SQL to populate. Yeah, I see. I see. The only thing which I have against SQL is that I'm lazy, which is not a good reason, I know. I use instead of making some dummy endpoint and run it in post. Yeah, I see. The only thing which I don't like the SQL is that I have to now, well, inserting a JSON, I can write it down really easily. That shouldn't be bad. You know, like my only worry was like my structure, you know, the ingredient looks like this with yeah, I have this hash map, right? But that's just JSON, right? That's something like this, right? There is an object, and it will be field value, something like that. Delete round. Doesn't work. Oh, delete around that guy. Oh wow, it works. The power of Vim. And if you want to make SQL tables, you can use schema SQL file. Okay, so let's start one by one. I will save the schema SQL to, that will be the second way I will do. I saved somewhere the thing, and yeah, I should make a habit of closing all the shits. This is the, yeah, here I was searching for what the fuck is the command line runner. Here is the configuration, which I was searching for what it means. Quit, quiet, unload. Oh, this is the link from Tramstar. And you know what? A good habit would be to save the shit. Okay. So I do yeah, but you go here, there, and then it will be just dot. Okay, paste. Here we go. Here's how to do it. No, 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 that's the other way. But we can do this. Whoa. Okay. Cool. And also. There we go. So I can close this. Go away. Yeah, and here the command line runner. He uses the interface here, like here. But for example, the Amigos code, he used the what it was, I don't know what it was. He uses, that was the config, yeah. You see, he uses the instance of that, well, not instance, what the fuck is this? It's like definition of a P, command line runner, okay. And then it runs this, right? It takes some arguments. This is a lambda, right? It returns a function, which is kind of weird too. It's functional interface. Lambda. It's functional interface. I think I heard this one before. As you can see, I'm professional. Beginner. And or you will learn that, okay. Okay, maybe I will postpone it, but maybe I should keep like a list of the shit I want to look on, right? And that will be I can, I know I have a learning and I have a Java. If I go to Java, well, yeah, it's Java. Oh, looks like there's where I was still writing Java. Okay, it's probably not the place to do it. In the learning, we have here Java. Where do I want to store like the questions which I have? Like notes. be here. Java string equals to her with Java functional interfaces. Yeah, it's definitely which I want to visit, and I will put it on top, somewhere on top. Things, questions, things I want to visit. And here will be Java streams, and functional interfaces. Themes. So okay. I read a book about that. It's like 150 pages, and it explains it very well. Okay, what kind of book? And can I download it? Okay. Now I feel that we will do the command run away. That is basically also two way how to do it, right? My Discord is this. You can find me there, I think. I'll post it there. You see, I have a Nightbot now here. It wasn't so hard to set it up, surprisingly, which I thought it will be. Well, anyway, also there's a two ways in here, and I want to try both of them because why am I doing this? Space, and here will be what is am I even saying the right thing? Thank you very much. Switch. Oh, cool. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. That's so cool. Do you mind if I add you as a friend, or? Streams are super hard to debug, I think. Oh well, it depends on the tool. Well, yeah. Streams might be, but there are like, yeah, because it's definitely more steps for me as well. I think there are like some ways how to debug it. Maybe I just don't know how to. Oh, even Tramstar says so it's hard. Tramstar says it. Yeah. Then. And I will download this. documents. I'll put it in here, safe. You saw nothing. Yeah. That's the thing what I wanted to say, but I didn't. And that is like it's somehow like in IntelliJ it should be like each year. I never did it properly, so I don't know. I use Eclipse. I see. There you go. One Google away. Do they really like force you to use Eclipse? Or is just what they provided? Because in some companies they are like really strict, you have to do that, and other companies they will say like, well, you can use whatever you want, but other guys are using this and we are not paying for anything else. Everyone has to use it. Yeah. I know like some people even use Emacs for Java development, but they are on like different level, It's not like you're a beginner, and suddenly comes to your machine to help you. Oh, it didn't happen to me, but well. And then they like, whoa, what the fuck is this? How do I do anything in here? Yeah, that's not ideal if you need help from others to have like totally different environment than they do. What am I doing here? Oh, this is the functional interfaces, right? It's not what I want right now. This I will do also not now. So this is the one way which I wanted to go through, and that was the functional interface, and this one is I don't know, implementing interface, and the other way will be runner class. Oh, amigos code edit. Nice. How did you do it? Like, you switch, motherfucker! You fucking switch! Do you hear me? Okay, so this is the implementing thing. Oh, that's like fuck. That link is nonsensically long. Does it work even though I remove all this bullshit? Yes, it works. So I'll paste it in and delete the rest. So, okay, and here. Why is there that space? Holy fuck, and I switched it again. This is the implementing the interface, right? No. Yes. Yeah, I did work with some senior developer which also like loved in Eclipse and work inside of it for a long time, and the entire time he was like in the company he was complaining about it. It was like, oh, it was so much better that way, but I don't think like anyone like really forced him to use it. It was just provided and paid for by the company, so he just went with it. And then what the fuck is that? Oh yeah, some advertisement for work. What is this? This looks like some error which I don't, some problem which I don't have anymore. Okay, so I'll close that. What is this? Yes, it is possible. What is possible? Oh yeah, this is, I forgot how to call it a constructor. Me. I always forgot like the basic shit. All the time. This is the generation. I don't need anymore. An overview of identifiers. I don't know what this is. This is also the generating strategy guide. Yeah, this was the times done. What is this? Why? Basic. Yeah, that's solved. Solved. Persisting annotation. Solved. Go away. What is this? Yeah, it's like I should like have a better habit of like cleaning after myself. This one also don't need anymore. For database, blah blah blah. I probably not even read this. Persisting maps, yeah. So that was that. Here's the application. Here's the tutorial. This is something which I want to have a look later. This is Spring tutorial. Not now. This is for later. Okay. Lemonade software development. I did save this guy, right? Yes. Okay. And what we are doing? We are doing the first one according to what he did. Okay, cool, whatever. So we will do what Amigos did, and that is will be Amigos did that. No, I will probably not putting that into anywhere. So, and he did this. He said this is configuration, which means that provides the beans for us, right? And then he returns a functional interface. and I'm guessing that is, it knows it should be that because this command line runner. If I go here, it has a one method. It even says functional interface, strings, and one function, something. Okay, so we'll do that. Add configuration. There we go. Now we will say bean command line runner. It will be called put them in like so. Why is it red? Oh, I need a repository, that's for sure. Takes the repository. Why are you complaining, huh? Notations not allowed here. What are you talking about? Public class, and then he has a bean. Here says configuration. What's your problem? Okay, I don't know. So we'll put in our ingredient repository. Well, but it says like, you know, like, okay, try public method and try. He doesn't have a public, but he has a return. You have two names in a method. Oh yeah, I do. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, well, that concludes round number 2. And we'll continue to round number 3. Yeah, okay, so stop the timer. Stop.